In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot Notion app slow page loading issues. If your Notion pages are taking forever to open or feel laggy, don't worry today, we'll walk through two simple, reliable fixes. We'll refresh or restart the app to clear temporary memory hiccups, and, if needed, log out and back in to rebuild the local cache. These steps are safe, quick, and often all you need to get back up to speed. First, try a soft refresh. This forces Notion to reload the current window and redraw your workspace without closing the app. With the Notion desktop app in focus, use the reload shortcut. On Mac, press Command+R. On Windows, press Control+R. You should see the window briefly reload and the page spinner appear. Give it a few moments to reconnect and render. If the page feels snappier afterward, you can continue working normally. A soft refresh is great when a single page is stuck, or when the app has been open for a long time and needs a quick reset. If a soft refresh doesn't help, fully close and restart the Notion desktop app. Don't just close the window, make sure the application actually quits so it can release memory. On Mac, right-click the dock icon and choose Quit. On Windows, close the window. Then check the system tray to ensure Notion isn't still running in the background. After it's closed, open Notion again from your usual shortcut or Applications menu. When it relaunches, give it a moment to reconnect and resync your workspace. Large databases or media-heavy pages might take an extra moment to appear. But performance should improve once everything finishes loading. If you are still noticing slow page loads, log out of your Notion account and sign back in. This forces a rebuild of the local cache, which often clears deeper loading issues. Open Settings and Members, go to the Account section and choose Log Out. Confirm the sign out, then return to the sign in screen and sign back in using your usual method. You don't need to share or display any personal credentials in the process. After you log back in, Notion will rebuild local files and re-download what it needs. The first load may be a bit slower while it prepares your workspace, and then things should smooth out. That's it. Refresh or restart first. And if needed, log out and back in to rebuild the cache. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Notion running faster again.